Hello everyone, my name is Marian and today I'll present you one of the most used features Bro6 offers to its users, the chat room creation. The chat room creation can be done by the Bro6 desktop application or the web control panel. If using the desktop application, the collaboration space can be created from the Actions menu, the Contacts list, or any chat window. It is the same process for all the options you have, so I'm just gonna use that button here. As you can see, here you have all the people from your contacts list. Now let's choose Heather, Jane, and Daniel. And let's name the chat room LA2. Once you click on the Create button, you will see the chat room in your contacts list. As I already mentioned, a chat room can also be created via the Bro6 web control panel. To do so, you need to go to our official website, select Login, then log into Control Panel, enter your details, and once there, you need to click on Users, then Chat Rooms, and here you can see the new chat room button. If you click on it and enter the room name and a topic, a page will open with all the details and changes you can make in order to create your new chat room. Now let's imagine you already have groups created in order to organize your team network and separate the different departments. In this case, you can straightaway click on Groups, then choose a particular group, and enable the chat room option. Dedicating a chat room to an already existing group in your network will automatically add all the people from the group to the new chat room. Of course, in this case, any change you make will again automatically affect the chat room. If you remove or add an user, the same user will be added or removed from the chat room. For more information regarding how to manage a chat room and what are the different settings available, check out our chat room management video. Thank you for your time.